Now we can start exercise questions. In that first exercise, exercise number 6.1, you can write all answers in the text itself. First question, all fill in the blanks that you can write down in the text itself. Then they asked to find two different examples for a pair of similar figures as well as non-similar figures. So that also there itself you can write that answer. Then the last third question asked to state whether the given correlators, two correlators are given there, whether they are in the they are similar or not. Want to check and write that yes or no only. That also you can write in the text itself. So we can directly move to the exercise number 6.2. In this exercise, first question is like this. In figure 6.17, the figure is here. This is the figure. DE parallel BC and find EC. Here, what are the things given here? Here it is given BC parallel DE or DE parallel BC. So, in triangle, here the triangle, the name is a triangle ABC. The given condition DE parallel BC. So, we can apply here BPT, basic proportionality theorem. So, how can we apply this? What is basic proportionality theorem? Here, if a line DE parallel BC, one side of the triangle that is BC. So, a line is drawn DE which is parallel to BC. Then that line which divides the other two sides in the same ratio. That means which two ratios here equal? AD by DB. So, we can write by BPT. We can use the short form, okay, by BPT we can write AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Then substituting the values of the given measurements. AD is given as 1.5, 1.5 by DB is given as 3, which is equal to AE is given as 1 and EC want to find out. Cross multiplying, we can get EC equal to 3 by 1.5. That we can change as 30 by 50. Multiplying by 10. Then which implies 2. That is what we get EC equal to 2 centimeter. This is the answer. First question, second one is there. Okay, that is a homework for you. Then second question. Fully that. 3 questions are there, 3 sub-questions, so that is also homework. Second question you can do as using this converse of BPT. Asked to prove the given condition that is EF parallel QR. For these 3 questions that you can use, you can get the answer by using the converse of BPT. That ratios, whether you check whether that are equal or not, then you can tell that the two lines are parallel. Now we can move to the third question. Question is like this. This question figure is given. This is the figure given and 2 conditions also given. In this figure, ABC and ADC are 2 triangles you can see here. And the conditions given LM parallel CB and LN parallel CD. So LM parallel BC or CB and LN parallel CD. These are the 2 conditions given and we need to prove this ratio that equal. Okay, AM by AB equal to AN by AD. For proving, first you can take first condition, which is that triangle involved that condition. That is in triangle, you can consider the triangle ABC. The given condition is LM parallel CB. So we can write by BPT. By BPT, what you can write, which ratio equal AM by MB. AM by MB is equal to AL by LC. This is condition number 1. Then you can write again second condition in triangle ADC and the given condition LN parallel CD. So we can tell by BPT which two ratios equal AN by ND equal to AL by LC. This is second condition. Look, these two conditions, LHS, RHS are equal. Both conditions, RHS are equal. So what we can write, LHS also equal. So from 1 and 2, we can write AM by MB is equal to AN by ND. But this is not supposed to prove. We have to prove that AM by AB, here AM by MB, and AN by AD, here AN by ND. So we need AM and AN, but MB and ND, instead of that we need to get AB and AD. For doing that, first you can take a reciprocal of this ratio. So when you are taking reciprocal, what we can write, MB by AM equal to ND by AN. Then after that, after taking this reciprocal, MB, we don't need this MB. Instead of that AM we need to get. So instead of that MB, we are going to write in terms of AB, because AB we need an AM. AM is already there. MB, instead of MB, we have to get AB. So MB can be rewrite as AB minus AM. So in that MB, first term MB, AB minus AM by this AM, which is equal to ND. ND is this side. Okay, so AD minus AN. AD minus AN by and AN. Then dividing separately, AB by AM minus AM by AM equal to AD by AN minus AN by AN. And AM and AM become 1. So once again, AB by AM minus 1 equal to AD by AN minus 1. Then what we can do, A minus 1 get cancelled. So AB by AM equal to AD by AN. But look there, we need to get the reciprocal. So taking reciprocal again, AM by AB equal to AN by AD. So this is the thing we want to prove.